Airfield operations are the backbone of aviation, ensuring safe takeoffs, landings, and ground movement. At the heart of these operations are airfield ground lighting systems, indispensable for safety and efficiency. Airside 4.0 Advanced Maintenance is a proactive, connected, and smarter way to maintain critical airside assets. Fixture seal leakage detection prevents catastrophic failures by proactively identifying potential leaks using advanced sensors. Link 360 performance monitoring creates a centralized view into airfield lighting communication health. Precision lamp fault detection empowers airfield operators with portable fault monitoring. This ensures on-the-go visibility and uninterrupted operations, putting agility at your fingertips. This holistic approach provides a 360-degree view of airfield maintenance, setting new benchmarks in operational excellence and asset reliability. The advanced maintenance isn't just about features, it's about measurable outcomes. These advancements demonstrate financial, operational, and safety benefits. At ADB Safegate, we don't just maintain airfield systems, we redefine the way they're managed. Join us as we chart the future of advanced maintenance. Smarter, better, now.